You're going to start and finish your fight with what you have on your person or you have in your hand. And unfortunately, the handgun is the hardest weapon system to master. My mission is to help the American law enforcement officer, help the legally armed citizen to defend themselves with a very difficult weapon to shoot.
When these situations occur, we don't know they're getting ready to happen. Everybody shoots close quarters, everybody gets close to the target. It's very popular now, particularly with the concealed carry crowd. But what we're forgetting many times is the spontaneity of a real world situation.
My name is Dave Canterbury with the Pathfinder School in Southeast Ohio. I've been practicing primitive and frontier living skills for the last 20 years. And we've evolved into a full-blown survival and self-reliant school. Get ourselves in a steady position and then pull our rod toward us. Let oxygen get in there. When you're building your survival kit, build it around the mentality of the possible emergency scenario. We're going to talk about search and rescue. You're going to build a fire pit that's as long as the shelter is.
I have no idea what you're going to face, but if you've got real world training, you're going to be a whole lot better off.
Mount, standing position. Right foot on the chair, left foot on the chair.
The idea that you just move to keep from getting hit isn't necessarily sound. Movement has to be done with purpose.
The stores that we daily get our things from, the gas stations we get our fuel, the convenience store where we go to buy bread when we run out. All of those things would be affected by the same disaster that you would be.
You can never be too prepared when your life or the lives of your loved ones are on the line. That's the end goal of all of this, is that you prevail, you win, you are victorious.